Hello everybody, welcome back to another Business of Trucking video. It is time before March 31st. You have to make sure you file this tax form if you have your own authority. If you're leased onto a carrier, they should be handling this. You don't have to worry about it. But what it is your Arkansas Ad Valorem tax. So what Ad Valorem is it means according to value. This has nothing to do with IFTA. This has nothing to do with having any kind of Arkansas permit or a weight distance tax. This is a value based on the value, or I'm sorry, this is a tax based on the value of your equipment. So what you have to do, you should get this form in the mail, or you can go online to, let me read you the website here, www.apscservices.info/tax. And you can find the tax filing section on there. And what the form you're looking for is the Arkansas 2022 Annual Carrier Report. I just got done doing mine, and it's pretty straightforward and simple, but you have to do it, whether or not you travel through the state of Arkansas. So, I'll just, on this side, this side over here, you fill out your information, contact information. Down at the bottom, it's going to have your 2020. Now, this is 2022, so you're filing on your 2021 mileages. You need your all miles that you traveled through the country, and then whatever miles you traveled through Arkansas. Put them on the form here. And then, here, let me fold this in half here, make it easier. On this half of the form, you are going to put, list your trucks, what does it say? Heavy 3-axle trucks. Okay, I'll just go through mine here. I'm putting 7 on here. Now this is all vehicles in control, whether leased on, owner operator, company trucks. It's all for hire equipment that in your fleet that was under your control on January 1st, 2022. So, and then you put the average year. To get the average year, let's say you have a 2012, a 2015, a 2017, and a 1999. You add up those numbers and divide by however many there is, say 4. Okay, that'll give you an average year of whatever, 2001, whatever it comes out to be. You put that on there, and then you need to estimate their market value and be relatively accurate. Obviously, nobody is perfect, but you know how cheating the tax man, you know where that gets you. So this is not an expensive tax, so just be honest. And then right below it here, you have to list your trailers. So right here we got 6 trailers, average year of a 2013, because I have 3 2012, so that really brings my average down. And I estimated the value here. And then you carry that down to the bottom, that's 13 vehicles, a total value of $418,000. So this is pretty straightforward, just read through the instructions. And then it has some questions. Number 1 question is, do you use customers' trailers, transport containers, mobile homes, etc.? Check this box. It does not apply to me. Next question, are you out of business? Check yes or no. I check no. And the last one, have you stopped traveling Arkansas? Yes or no. Check those boxes accordingly. Put your name and signature. You can file this through the mail, or you can do it on that website. But you must do it by March 31st of 2022. Like I said, it is not expensive. Typically for the past few years, I've had one vehicle on there, one truck on there with a value of like $35,000, and my tax is like $12. You fill this form out, send it in or submit it on the website, and then several months later, they will send you a notice in the mail, September, October-ish. Mine came last year. That tells you what you owe. So it's kind of a 2-step process. But right now you're just filling out the reporting, and then you get the bill later. This is a pretty straightforward, easy form. If you read the instructions, you shouldn't have too many questions. So just wanted to put that reminder out there. Everybody take care and have a great day.